2 beautiful waterfront lots in Harbor Point. Electricity is already installed and ready for your RV. Owner is having sewer system installed. When you see the views of the water these lots offer, you will be ready to maybe build your dream weekend or permanent home. Lot has 2-layer decking and a fishing pier. Lots are already bulkheaded to protect your investment. Subdivision offers a gated community, public parks, putt-putt golf, fishing, boat launch and community center. Better hurry because with summer coming these won't last long.